Got him. Got him. Smallmouth?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of OZARKBASSIN TV. Today we are here at the creek, but first, if you guys don't mind, consider subscribing. If you guys are new to the channel, I would appreciate that. Also hit that notification bell. I know I say it in all my videos, but you know, it's important. You know, also smashing the thumbs up, dropping comments, and sharing and stuff like that are all good ways to help the video out. If you guys want to help the channel out, help me out. Yeah, it looks like the water's pretty low here at the creek, but we've been supposed to check out other creeks and rivers, but we haven't hooked up on any fish, and I haven't really had a lot of time. So we're back here at my favorite local creek, about 10 minutes from my house, and today we are doing a mystery tackle box challenge. So today's video is also obviously sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box, and guys, go check them out. I'll leave a link down in the description. You can use my code OZARKBASSIN to get your first box for as low as $10. So we're gonna throw on the chest cam and gonna crack this open, see what's inside, and try to catch some fish on some lures in here. So stay tuned. If you're watching this, that means we caught fish, and I'll see you guys on the chesty. Open this up, and first on top we have the Weston Spot On Twin Turbo, little double plopper going on there. Then we got this Lunker Hunt 2.5 foot square bill crankbait, and it looks like should be perfect for smallies, I believe. I think it has a tighter wobble. I'm not sure, but yeah. So the Z-Man Streak Z 3.75 inch smoky shad little flukes, and then we got the cross-eye chatterbait, sick. Then a little magazine, little dibble magazine. We got some more stuff in here, actually. We got these craws from X-Zone Lures. I love X-Zone. Some Prism extra wide gap carbon steel titanium pro series hooks that we're going to use. We could probably rig those up weightless with both the craw and the fluke. I should have brought some worms. That would have been perfect. It has this little brochure and then this little paper that tells you how much everything costs. So you got $17.99, $9.99, $7.49, $4.49, $4.49, $2.32. So yeah, a lot of, I think this box, the Pro box, is about $30. They have other boxes. They have a regular, a Pro, and an Elite. You can get your first box for as low as 10 bucks. The code will be down in the description. So I don't know what I'm gonna tie on first. Probably a square bill. I'm gonna tie the square bill on first. Let's see what's up with that. So we got the square bill tied on. It's pretty freaking dope. We're gonna cast out here. The water's really freaking low. This is probably the lowest I've ever personally seen it. So we'll see if the fish are even here. Hopefully they haven't, there's been some small bass that have been here hanging out, but they're not as much as there usually are. This, you know, last summer there was mondos here. Oh, a little small guy attacked it. A little small guy attacked it. Probably about half a pound. Oh, we got one. No way. No way. It's a little small dude. Still take it. Look. Oh my God. That was so funny. I'll explain it in a little bit if this guy doesn't hook me. Come on, buddy. Dude, I forgot how feisty these guys are. So I was tangled up on my hooks, you could see there, and it was not even going. It was just like top water. And I was just kind of jerking it a little bit, and this guy came up and hit it. So we might be able to get some bites. on the fluke. Do a weightless fluke. But yeah, there's a few of them out there that are about a little bigger than this, and then one of them was about twice, 2 to 3 times the size of this. But I'm gonna let this guy go. There you go, bud. He's off. Let's see if we can get another one. Okay, so we got that prism hook and that our little fluke. We got a weightless fluke set up right here. It's basically a soft plastic jerk bait. So yeah, hopefully we can get some bites. Oh, I'm gonna tune that up a little bit. Yeah, already getting small fish are going for it. Oh, here comes a bass right here. He's looking at it. He's a little small guy, smaller than the first one, but he's on it. Trying to figure out what makes him bite. He said no. It's a spot. It's a spot. You can tell. Oh shit. Got that mofo stuck in the tree. Then we got it out. We got 2 on it. One's got it. Oh! Woohoo! Launched him, dude. Hey, buddy. It's a decent size for the creek. We're recording? I think we are. Man, you got it. I'll let you have it, huh? Whew. Nice little, almost the same size as the other one, a little bigger, but not bad. I guess we'll take a picture. Oh, we don't have the camera, never mind. But that's 3 baits knocked out. That's pretty fun. We might just stick with the fluke. But there we go. Thanks for biting, bud. Sick. Oh, yep, I'm seeing bass. Oh, got a little small one to run off with it. Oh, something grabbed it. Does it have it? You see my line jump? Oh, it has it. Oh, dude, I ripped it out of his mouth because I didn't set the hook hard enough that first time. Dang it. Got him. Got him. Smallmouth? Oh, it's a smallmouth. Oh, yeah. Recording, cool. Ooh, we got him right in the cheek. Not bleeding though, so he's good. Oh, hey, buddy. Okay, quick release. There we go. Sick. There's some deer right here. 1 buck, a little small buck and a doe. You're about a month away. About a month away from hunting season. Curious little creature. Wow. Okay, so I did a whole outro and I wasn't even recording. And I'm already out of breath because I've been talking while hiking back to the car. But we got those 3 small bass. We got 2 largemouth, I believe, and then a smallie. But nothing big, but this is a small creek. Sometimes we catch, you know, 1.5, 2 pound, 2.5 pound bass out of here. But unfortunately today was not that day. How's it going? All right. Just need to do this in the car. And like good old hot car water. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching all these videos. Hopefully we are getting these videos out to you guys. But yeah, thank you. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.